Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look at this cheeky little beast in front of me. It's an Aprilia Tuono, and this one's the APRC factory. Absolute belt of a bike. So if you're looking for a bike crazier than a box of frogs, this is the bike for you. Mega bike, cooler than the Fonz. It is fantastic. 2,633 miles this bike's done. So 2017-17. Full colour TFT display on these. It's got the anti-wheelie control, cruise control, pit lane limiter. So if you fancy going through McDonald's drive-through at 30 mile an hour, but just blipping the throttle, this is the bike for you. Tail tidy on this cheeky little bad boy. Obviously you've got your seat cowl on this as well. Gorgeous bike. Let me turn it on for you so you can see everything. Everything's adjustable. Traction control, ABS, power modes. Yeah, you got your lean angle sensors and things like that. It's an absolute beast. So you can see there, all the switch gear and everything's there. If you stick it on a track, they also connect to your phone, and then you can see how well you're doing around the track on your phone or just to the courier house. Anyway, let me give it a start up. Ohlins suspension, Brembo brakes, quickshifter. It's got the lot. It's basically a sports bike, a little bit more comfier. Anyway guys, what an absolute belter and a cheeky little beast it is. All you need to do to get this bought, bob down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.